Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim basic tutorial how to merge bodies. So as example, I will create bodies. You can click on the rectangle tools. I will create in here the rectangle. Click Enscape and use pull tools to convert into 3D. And the second object I will create again. You can click Escape mode. I will use the top plane. Go to plane view. And I will draw a rectangle at this point. And Enscape, use pull tools to convert into 3D. Now in here we have two body, and if you want to merge these two body, you need to move. Like I will select the second body, use the move tools. I will move into right axis like this. Okay, move again in the green axis to the top. Now, if you want to merge between these two objects, you can select the two objects. And then we can use the combine tools. You can click it to be automatically merge these two objects. Okay, that's it for basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to merge bodies. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.